Dazey and CJ are all ready to work and play. Let's get out and along the way. We'll fix the broken bridge today. Dazey tries to reach the plank so who can't stretch that far. They need to come up with a plan or they're stuck where they are. Digley, Dazey and CJ are all ready to work and play. Let's get out and along the way. We'll fix the broken bridge today. Digley has a bright idea. He'll need help from the boss. Mr. Rubble's on the hook so he can swing across. 1, 2, 3 and swing! Digley, Dazey and CJ are all ready to work and play. Let's get out and along the way. We'll fix the broken bridge today.
It's a brand new day at Construction HQ. All the vehicles are excited to get to work. I wonder what they're building today. Whoa! A pancake shack! Oh dear. Digley doesn't look his usual happy self. I wonder what's wrong. Oh no! Digley is sick! He can't work today. He'll have to stay home. Time to start work. The first thing to do is dig the foundations. But without Digley, how will they dig? That's not working at all. Dazey can't dig the way Digley does. Maybe this drill will help. Oops! Mud is going everywhere, and Dazey can't keep the drill still. This isn't working either. Oh dear, oh dear. Digley is watching from HQ. He really wants to help, but he's still feeling sick. Here's Mrs. Skip with some medicine. That should help. Back on the building site, they still haven't dug the foundations. Oh dear. Splat! Wait, this plank of wood throws dirt into the air, like a spade. Maybe they can use this to dig the foundations. Yes, it works! Good work, Dazey. She's found a way to dig in her own way, in no time at all. There, the pancake shack is finished. Aww, Dazey has brought some pancakes to Digley to make him feel better. What a good friend. Delicious. It's a bright new day at Construction HQ. Digley and Dazey are so excited to see what they'll build today. Oh wow, a Ferris wheel. This will be so much fun. Now they're at the fairground. The wheel is almost ready. Dazey is just lifting it up. Boing! There, it's finished. But who's going to take a ride in it first? Hooray! Digley is having a go. Dazey throws the switch and up Digley goes. But uh-oh, something is wrong. Oh dear, the wheel stopped. Digley is stuck at the top. There must be a way to get him down. Dazey has an idea. Whoosh! A pillow to jump on? I don't think that's going to work. Dazey will have to think of something else. She's off again. Whoosh! Look! Now Dazey is trying to pull the wheel round, but it's no good. It's stuck tight. But now she has another idea. Blocks? I wonder what Dazey is up to. Whoa! She's built steps all the way up to Digley. Here's Mrs. Skip. Oh wow! She's got a ramp to put on top of the blocks. They could turn it into a giant slide. Whee! That was so much fun! Digley is fixing the wheel controls. Good as new. The Ferris wheel is ready. But look, Digley and Dazey just want to use it to slide down the slide. It looks like so much fun. They haven't just built one fairground ride, they've built two. It's a bright sunny day at the construction HQ. Aw, Bump hasn't quite woken up yet. He doesn't like mornings. Here are today's plans. They're going to build a pond. How exciting! This'll be so much fun. First, it's up to Digley to dig the hole. Good job, Digley. Next, Bump pushes the dirt away and Dazey puts some stones around the edge of the pond. Great. Now all that's left is to fill it up with water. Better get out of the way, Digley. Bump's turned on the tap and the water runs through the hose. Dazey doesn't like that stone. Oh no! The stone landed on the hose! Now the water can't get through. Quick! They need to do something. Dazey's got an idea. She's going to hit the stone. Splash! Uh-oh. Now the hose has sprung a leak. The water is spraying everywhere. But Mrs. Skip knows what to do. They can use a Band-Aid to stick the hole shut. There. Good job, everyone. Now the water can flow again. Mr. Rubble wonders where the water's got to. Oops. Mr. Rubble has ended up in the pond. But that's okay. He thinks it's funny too. Splash! Great work, guys! It's a new day at the construction site. I wonder what they'll build today. Ooh! Mr. Rubble says they're going to build a car wash. Amazing! Everyone's working as a team to build the car wash. Now they just need to add soap. Oh dear! That barrel doesn't look like soap. But Bump hasn't noticed. Here's Mr. Rubble to take a look. Oh dear, he's all dirty. Not to worry, he can get all clean in the new car wash. Oh dear, something's gone wrong. It turned Mr. Rubble green. I don't think he's noticed. They can't let him look in the mirror. Digley's investigating. There's the problem. Bump put paint in the car wash, not soap. They'll need to paint Mr. Rubble back to the right colour. Splosh! Dazey splashed Mr. Rubble with mud. Now he'll need to use the car wash again. In Mr. Rubble goes. Oh no, now Mr. Rubble is blue. Quick! They need to stop him before he looks in the mirror. Splash! Nice work, Dazey. Now he needs to use the car wash again. Digley's putting in another paint can. I hope this is the right colour. Into the car wash Mr. Rubble goes. Phew, he's back to his normal colour at last, and squeaky clean too. Thank goodness. Looking good, Mr. Rubble. Good job, everyone.
Trick or treat, trick or treat. Digley's ready, Dazey's here to trick or treat. But Mr. Rubble's plans mean they can't collect their sweets. Everybody else is playing trick or treat. Mrs. Skip comes by, maybe she can save the day. With spooky fun masks, now they can go out and play. Dazey knocks upon the door in her fancy dress. Mr. Rubble falls for it and gives her sweets. Yes! Trick or treat, trick or treat. Digley's ready, Dazey's here to trick or treat. Digley grabs his pumpkin and turns it creepy green. Now he can go round again to trick or treat. Mr. Rubble has fallen for the trick. But he's catching on, so run away now, quick! Hide before he sees, Mr. Rubble won't be pleased. Oh, what fun is had on the spooky Halloween. Trick or treat, trick or treat. Digley's ready, Dazey's here to trick or treat. Everybody's laughing, happy Halloween. It's such fun when we're all playing trick or treat.
Digley and Dazey are so excited for Halloween. They can't wait to go trick-or-treating tonight. Oh dear. Mr. Rubble says they've still got work to do. Digley and Dazey are working hard on the construction site. There's Buster and Scout going trick-or-treating. Digley and Dazey wish that they could join them. Here comes Mrs. Skip. Look, she's given them Halloween masks. That's given Dazey an idea. What's that noise? Trick or treat! Dazey is trick-or-treating Mr. Rubble, and he doesn't recognise her. He's given her some sweets. Maybe they can go trick-or-treating after all. Now Digley's going to try. Trick or treat! Mr. Rubble doesn't recognise Digley either, so gives him some sweets. But, that trick-or-treater looked kind of familiar. Mr. Rubble's going to investigate. Uh-oh. Dazey's hiding, Digley's running. Mr. Rubble thinks something funny is going on. A trail of sweets. He's chasing after Digley. Oops. Oh dear. Mr. Rubble found them. He caught them playing instead of working. But... he's brought them some more sweets. Mr. Rubble is a big softie, really. Now he's letting Digley and Dazey go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone!